welcome back to Midcap Masala right here on ET Now. Yes, of course, there has been a good recovery in the market and even the broader end of the market is doing very well as we speak right now. But let's put the spotlight on DCM Shriram then, because DCM Shriram and Bayer Crop Sciences, they have signed an MOU to jointly explore opportunities that strengthen India's agriculture ecosystem through innovation, sustainability and farmer-centric solutions. The stock is also up almost 7.5% on the back of this news flow. But what are some of the other details that are coming out of it? Which are some of the other news that we gather from DCM Shriram? Let me take it across to Ashesha for all of that. Ashesha.
Well, yes, a strategic announcement that has come in where both of them have signed an MOU. In fact, on the back of that, the stock is up as much as 7% in trade. The company yesterday informed the exchanges that they've signed MOU to advance sustainable and future-ready agriculture. They also said that they will jointly explore opportunities that strengthen India's agriculture ecosystem through innovation, sustainability and farmer-centric solutions. In fact, the company also said that it is looking to explore synergies in crop solutions, seeds, specialty farm nutrition, and they will also explore partnership not only in agriculture but also in chemical businesses. So this is one important takeaway. For now, it is limited to agriculture, but perhaps in the future, it could extend to chemical and other segments of their business. As far as synergetic gains of this particular MOU are concerned, DCM Shriram says that Bayer's global expertise in advanced agricultural solutions with DCM Shriram's deep rural footprint and integrated agribusiness capabilities will aid both these companies. So this is an MOU which they've signed, and of course a big positive for DCM Shriram. The stock is up 7% on the back of this.
Okay, Ashesha, thanks so much for taking us through that. 7.5% uptick rather coming in on DCM Shriram. So good move over there. The other stock that seems to be doing well today is Polycab, a 1.25% uptick coming in on that stock today after a good note from Morgan Stanley, wherein they're bullish on the stock. They've maintained their overweight rating with a price target of 8,672 rupees per share. Significant upside from where the stock is at right now. Morgan Stanley believes that volume growth for the company remains healthy despite rising commodity prices. Now remember, copper prices recently touched their all-time high and that could be detrimental for the company going ahead, but their volumes continue to prove otherwise. Demand across segments like power T&D, renewables, solar rooftop, real estate, infrastructure and data centers continues to remain strong. They also believe that Polycab is well placed to deliver power and optical fiber cable, and they're also looking to diversify exports to Middle East, Latin America and Africa. Now on the back of all of this, Morgan Stanley believes that the margins will likely remain at the upper end of that 12 to 14% guidance that they had given in the near term, and execution on the BharatNet project will start from Q3. So that's a note coming in from Morgan Stanley on Polycab, rather bullish with a good price target also coming in. The stock is doing well for itself, a 1.1% uptick over there. Right, that's about Polycab, but it's the AMFI data that has also come in and looks like a good data on a month-on-month basis. We have seen the number growing, the numbers on your screen. The total AUM has seen a jump from 79.8 lakhs to 80.8 lakhs in the month of November. So overall, the AUM size has increased. The net equity inflow now stands at 29,911 crores. In terms of the large cap, from 971 crores of inflow that was seen in October, the number now stands at 4,503 crores, and even the small cap fund has seen an inflow of 4,406 odd crores. So all across the board, we have seen the numbers inching up, and especially total AUM size is seen to be growing. But well, of course, we will be watching out for the SIP number as well, because month-on-month basis, we have definitely seen SIP holding up. But exactly where the number pans out is something that we'll be watching out for. But for this, viewers, we are completely timed out in this edition of Midcap Masala. It's a goodbye from me and Stanley and the entire team. Thank you so much for tuning in.